Okay, kiddies, welcome back to part 5 of our Allen Ginter 2018 blaster boxes, doing 8 boxes. So we are on box 5. Hopefully you tuned in to the others. Box 5. See if we can look for any differences. Looks like okay, can't really feel any differences. Maybe with one of them, but couldn't say for certain. Yeah. Pack number 1, pack number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, so actually that should be since we're doing all the packs in order, that should be, let's see, 16, 24, 32, 32. I guess it would be pack, we'll put pack 33, 34. It's just throwing me off because the first 4 parts were done yesterday, and hopefully the next 4 parts will be done today. And I forgot that I wanted to keep the packs numbered in succession. So, okay, we are on box number 5. There's 8 packs per box. That would be correct to put us at pack number 40 at the end here. So, here we go. Trunk Bay. McGuire. See if that helps. That should help. Okay. Buxton, Kane. Got Pocahontas. That's pretty cool. I think I just ordered that one the other day. Should be here next week when it gets here. I'll do a video and show you guys all the stuff I got. We'll check the back on Pocahontas. Nope. That's okay. I think the Pocahontas card is, forget what I paid. A couple bucks for it. It might be a little bit more than the other ones, but nothing crazy. Jimmy Fox. Never even heard of him. Oh, it says he stands 5th. One spot behind Barry Bonds. I don't know. Whatever. Boggs. Check the back. Regular. Yeah, so far in the first 4 boxes, I haven't really had anything too great. I'm not sure if it's just these boxes, and one of the other boxes before this 8-part series, I did get one of the framed cards. It's kind of cool, and that came from a blaster box, I'm pretty sure. And Ostrich Racing, pretty cool. Mimes, I believe, is the correct pronunciation. Some people just call it the Death Star. I'm not sure if you can tell why. Just kidding. Apparently another giant moon blasted the side of it and made that huge crater during the formation of such and such. Oh, it'll probably say right here. You have to pause this and take a look. Alright, the back of the Ostrich Racing. Regular. So yeah, next week when I ordered a few different complete sets of the moon inserts. So when those get here, I'll show those off as well. I'm going to give a couple of those to high school science teacher buddy of mine. Give them to his kids or show them to his kids. There's Albert Pujols from the Dominican. Tanaka. Bird. Oh, and look, can you see it on the side already? Past Bird, but can you see it? It's a home run card. Take a look at that. Ready? We'll do a quick little reveal. Here we go. It's an Atlanta Brave Freddie Freeman home run challenge. There you go. So, what's it say? Oh, you gotta scratch the deal, win a prize. I don't know. I usually don't even do those things. Might do a giveaway. So, if somebody comments in the section, comments below, and we'll do a random giveaway. Just comment, yeah, I'll take it, the Home Run Derby, or give me the Home Run Derby card, something along those lines. Tell me to give you the Home Run Derby card, and I will scratch it, and I will send you a message with the thing, so you can try to get, looks like you get entered into another drawing. I mean, it's next to impossible. You get entered into another drawing and then possibly get to win a trip to the Home Run Derby. Whoop-de-doo. I mean, you'd probably be better off just buying a box, buying a seat. Excuse me. Oh, but it's something fun, you know, just a little insert that they do. I think it's more for the little kids, but I'm sure there's adults that get excited about it too. So if you're one of those adults, comment below, and I'll scratch the thing, I'll give it to you, and you can maybe go. This is the vintage glove for the equipment. Clemens, I can tell you a Roger Clemens story. I was in Kansas City as a kid at a Kansas City Red Sox game, and had a Roger Clemens MVP card in my hand as like a 10-year-old kid, and this guy, Roger Clemens, shows up to the ballpark. I mean, I got there early for batting practice to get everybody's autograph, and so everybody had gone away. All the players were inside. Clemens shows up late in the rattiest looking taxi cab I've ever seen, long before Uber, and it's just me standing out there. There's nobody else, and I literally catch him as he's getting out of the taxi cab, pays his driver, whatever. I grab him, I hand him, show him his card. I've got a marker. I'm right there. He's got one little bag with him. No big deal. He's walking up to the doors, and he tells me that he's too busy to sign one autograph for the one kid who's standing around. There's not a mob of people. There's nobody else around, and his excuse was, "I'm sorry, I'm late." I don't even think he said sorry. He just said, "I'm late. I can't." Whatever. He just totally denied me, and so. Not the biggest fan of Clemens for that, but I don't hold that against him too much. It's just, that's the type of guy he is. There's looking at you, Roger. Never forget it. Sorry, man. You should just sign that MVP card for me. It was right there. It's never too late, though. All right. Ooh, here we go. Bouchard. I think she's a golfer, but I think all the females in here are getting, and once you know it, we get lucky. We get the rare back. Jeannie Bouchard, tennis player. Yeah, awesome. Pretty cool. Again, that's probably, $2 card, $3 card. Nothing too crazy, but as far as, just having a little bit more of a rare variant, having that back on there make it that much better. So, pack number 38, pack number 6 of our box number 5. If you haven't watched parts 1, 2, 3, and 4, Ryu sticking out there. No, I can already see he's got the regular backing. There's an Upton. Sanchez, Ryu, and Brooks Robinson for Fantasy Goldmine. I think Fantasy Goldmines are 1 in 4 or 1 in 6 are the odds on those. Can't quite remember. Anyway, pack number Lucky 7. Here we go. Lucky 7. Lucky 7. It feels a little bit fatter. Michael Rappaport. Probably get $1 for old Rappaport. Robinson. Yep, and it is it's the black border Tanaka. Very cool. Regular background on that. We're still asking for anybody that knows 100% that if the black borders come in the A&G backing to let us know in the comments below. But as far as I know, I have not seen one, have not seen one posted for sale, so that's my theory right now until somebody can tell me otherwise. If the black border on the minis happen to come with the rare backing, let me know. This is the final pack of box number 5. Pack number 40 in our succession. I think I see another home run card. Can you see it right? See that dark line? Right there. Brandon Nemo. He's from Italy. I've been looking for him. I've heard they've been looking for him. They've been trying to find him for quite a while. Alright, there's Bryant. Cubby. Yeah, we definitely got something back there. I think it's a framed mini. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Framed mini and lucky pack number 8. So we got Brian, and let's do a little, let's get the, there's the Italy guy. Oh, and here's a flag. I haven't got too many of these flags. I might have to, I think I'm just going to get the whole, buy the complete set. I'm not even sure how to, Rhodesia. Probably totally butchered that. Wainwright, okay. Let's see if there's a number. No number, it doesn't look like. Nope, not going to be a number. I don't think it's a relic. I think it's just a framed mini. Here we go. Well, it's got the A and G. Oh, it's an autograph card. Awesome. Here we go. Big reveal. Here we go. Whoop. Look at that. Autograph. Framed mini. Probably rookie card, $7 maybe online. 10, 12 bucks for a big Braves fan. But that is super cool. Super cool. Just so glad. That's the, I think that's the first framed card that we've gotten in 40 packs. We've opened 40 packs to get this. Yeah, wish it was numbered. As I drop it. Wish it was numbered, you know. But of course, you get one and then all of a sudden you want to talk about how it could have been better. Typical. Alright. Put this pack back together. We'll dig that one out later. We'll do a recap for all 8 boxes, and we'll get everything in a couple days. So that concludes our box number 5. Stay tuned, and we will go for box number 6, box number 7, and box number 8. We'll get them all done here, folks. So stay tuned. I'm just going to look at the numbers real quick and keep them. Yeah, 3. So it goes 761, 763, 764. So we'll do 761 for our box number 6. So see you soon, kiddies. Love you. Bye.